Got some homies out here. We're here in Bogotá, in some Barrio. The boy James invited me out. We got homie brought the grill. We got tunes. We got grandma hanging out. She's awesome. James' mom. Got more homies rolling up, coming through. Try to get a couple clips today here. Back. Yeah, boy. Yeah, James. Yes. Banger. Oh shit. Homie's bringing the rails out. Sick, dog. Ya pues. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Buena, buena. Yeah. Grandma, dude, chilling. She's so sick, dude. Sick as fuck. Yeah. Oh. Sick.
Sick, bro.
Fuck yeah, dude. Get the fucking line. Get it back to back. Yes. Oh, I can't see. Fuck.
Mari firman re mal. A mí me gusta cuando esta marica está así porque siempre...
Ya, fuerza, fuerza. ¡Epa! Chimba. Una foto con el de la NBA. Ya pues. Ay, ya. chimba. Ya pues. Alright guys, we're rolling out. That shit was sick.
What a good day, right, buddies?
Big thanks to Sander for driving. My hair's a fucking mess. I need some gel or hairspray or something. But hella sick meeting all these homies. This shit was badass. This is the side of Colombia you're not gonna see in all your fucking influencer tourist fucking food tour videos. That parrillada, puta madre. Yeah, straight hands, fucking dirty ass skate hands, eating some steaks, fucking arepas. Yeah, in the fucking Barrio, at a fucking little skate spot, bruh. Yeah, this is some real fucking culture for you guys if you care. So, much love. Thanks for tuning in.